Hey guys, I just wanted to come and talk to you today a little bit about heart healthy habit change. Are there habits in your life you would like to change, but just can't seem to stick to the changes you try to make? Maybe you've tried adopting new heart healthy habits like increasing exercise or reducing the amount of junk food you eat. Or maybe you've tried increasing your vegetable intake. Perhaps you've tried once or more than once and you just can't seem to stick to the changes you try to make. Well, many of us think that all we need is a little bit more willpower, a little more motivation. But when we try to set ourselves up to break bad habits by force, we may succeed for a little while, but then we end up right back where we started. So one of the most valuable skills you can learn is the ability to change your habits. With the ability to change unwanted habits and add desired habits, you can transform yourself into the identity you crave. Imagine yourself healthy, active, free from worry about heart attack or stroke. Your cholesterol and blood pressure are under control. Your inflammation is gone or reduced. You have cut down on your medications, and you can move without pain. Until behavior change becomes a habit, it can be a challenge to deal with the cravings and old routines we tend to fall back into. So, there are three main components as outlined by B.J. Fogg in his book Tiny Habits, that are required for true behavior change. Those three components are motivation, ability, and prompts. In order to incorporate a desired behavior, we need to increase our motivation for a habit, but it doesn't stop there. That's what we usually think. We usually think, I just need more motivation, and then we just stop there. But we also need to increase or enhance our ability to do that behavior, and we need to find an appropriate prompt to activate the new behavior. Or if you're trying to change an unwanted habit, then we need to reduce our motivation for the habit, decrease our ability to do that habit, and either eliminate the prompt, ignore the prompt, or replace the prompt with a desired habit. So, does that sound simple? It sounds pretty simple, hey? Well, it's not quite that simple. So when it comes to making impactful change for our heart health, we need to incorporate realistic habits that are sustainable for the long term. So there is a process for incorporating these three components to achieve sustainable heart-healthy lifestyle inside my healthy habit behavior change program. So you can learn more about how to make sustainable habit change to reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke by working with me. I am accepting new clients, and if you would be interested in learning about how you can make behavior changes that last a long time to really make an impact on your heart health, you can click the link below and send me a message and let me know that you're interested in working on these habits, and we can figure out how we might be able to work together. Have a good one.